Let's have a look at the structural shape utilities. So up here is the main dialog. Click on this. And here we'll have thumbnails similar to what we'd find in piping. Just by clicking on one of these will prompt you to insert the fitting. Down here we have some draw option toggles, so we can draw these in either 2D or 3D. The operations are exactly alike, except in 3D, we're working in a 3D view. You'll have your spec pull down here, and then your size pull down here. Then you'll have your BOM utility, where you can configure that along with your table. We'll be getting into the BOM utilities later, but for now, just know that's where that's located. So let's go ahead and just draw a 2D shape in here for now. So we'll just select this top shape, which is an S shape. And by the way, as you click through these, it's going to give you the dimensional information here along with what shape you're actually inserting. Let's just click on the S shape. We'll select View Draw. And then from here, we can select it from either top, middle, or bottom. So these are sensitive to where you click. So we'll just click here and we'll put the fitting in, turn on our ortho mode, and rotate it in. Now for our 3D, we need to go into the view like I was saying, and then come up into our shape utility again, toggle this on, and select the shape you need, and the size, and then select View Draw. Again, we'll insert it from the top, and we'll come up here, we'll point the cursor in the direction of the beam, and we'll put a distance in of 3 feet. Now we do have the opportunity to roll it on its side, and that would be 90 degrees. But in this example, I'm just going to accept the 0 and press enter. Let me show you another example of how to input two adjoining beams together. So let me draw a line going out this way, burst 12 feet. This is going to represent the top of beam. Let's draw another line this way, 12 feet, and then start up our shapes utility. We'll turn on the 3D and select the 44 by 230. Select View Draw and then pick the top point like before. Enter, and then we'll do another enter and repeat the process. Enter. Now we go back into the sections utility again and select cope. And we'll select this beam here to cope and this beam to cope to. And then we'll exit. And we can view the model. And then go ahead and shade it with the shade command. So inside the structural utility, you're going to find a man notation utility. This is a purlin girt utility, beam design. There is a stairs utility in here, ladder, bracing, frames, beam to column. Also take note that over here we have a handrail utility and a welding symbol utility. I'll leave a couple of related links in the video below as far as how these work.